Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and prepping the controller so it communicates reliably. First, charge the controller until the LED shows sufficient battery. Low power causes lag. Once charged, attach Joy-Con rails or press the Pro Controller sync button for 3 seconds to begin pairing. Make sure the switch is on, Bluetooth active, and system software is up to date. This prevents connection errors. If pairing prompts appear, follow them. They authenticate the device, so inputs register correctly during gameplay. Once paired, you finalize settings to ensure accurate control. Go to Controllers, then change grip/order to confirm which controller maps to Player 1, Player 2, etc. Next, calibrate analog sticks in System Settings under Controllers and Sensors to remove drift and improve precision. Follow on-screen prompts while moving sticks through full range. If buttons feel swapped or uncomfortable, remap them in the same menu to match your playstyle. These steps reduce input problems and make aiming or menu navigation consistent. You finish by verifying performance and handling issues quickly. Test responsiveness in a calibration screen or a simple game. Press each button and move each stick to confirm expected behavior. If performance falters, update controller firmware under Controllers and Sensors to patch bugs and improve stability. If problems persist, repair the controller and restart the console. Also check for wireless interference and ensure batteries are charged. One key tip: if drift or ghost inputs continue after calibration and updates, contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.